Hey guys, I'm back again, and this time I don't have any presentation since the topic which I'm going to cover today doesn't need one. Actually, I had promised last time that I would be coming up with a video on what is Selenium and first program using Selenium. But before moving to Selenium, we need to cover one more topic, that is Eclipse, or rather how to install Eclipse. So guys, today's video is going to be short and crisp, and topic for the day would be what Eclipse is, how to install Eclipse, first program in Java using Eclipse. Now, what is Eclipse? Eclipse is an integrated development environment, that is IDE, used in computer programming. Eclipse is primarily used for developing Java applications or programs, but by using some plugins for various languages like C, C++, PHP, etc., you can develop using these languages as well. Before installing Eclipse, make sure you have Java installed on your system, for which I have already shared a video earlier on what is Java and how to install Java. I have copied the link for the same in the description. In order to download Eclipse, you need to open any of your favorite browsers and search Eclipse IDE, and you need to open website as eclipse.org, from where we can download the installer. So you get the option for Eclipse, so you need to click on the same. It will give you to option to download the latest version of Eclipse IDE, that is 2020-03. So you can download on the same. It will ask you to select the platform for which you need to download the Eclipse. So currently we are working on Windows, so we'll click on Windows 64-bit. It will give us the mirror from which it will download, and this is the name of the installer, Eclipse install win64.exe. So once we click on download, it will start downloading the installer. So in the best interest of the time, I have already downloaded the setup, and this is how the setup looks like. Here we go, Eclipse installer win64. So we need to just double click on this installer in order to start the installation of Eclipse. So here it is. You can see the installation wizard getting open by the name Eclipse installer. So after few seconds you will get this kind of interface where you can select whatever language you want to develop in, like Java, C, C++, PHP. So since we are going to work on Java, so I'll click on Java. So here we get the window for Eclipse IDE for Java developers. You can see over here it automatically selects the path where Java is installed. So as you had seen in my previous video, I had installed JDK 14.0.1. So it is automatically selected over here. So after that, you can see it by default selects a path where it wants to install the folder. If you want to, you can change the same, or you can keep it as is. And also I will keep these two options as checked, since I want start menu shortcut as well as desktop shortcut. And now I'll select on, or rather click on install. So it starts installing the software for Eclipse. We need to wait for the installation to complete, and once this progress bar reaches to 100%, the installation will be completed. You can see now it says installation completed successfully, and it gives us a launch button option. And also over here the shortcut for Eclipse IDE is created. So I'll click on launch. So it opens Eclipse IDE 2020-03. So this is starting Eclipse IDE. Here we go. This is the first page or the welcome screen when we launch Eclipse for the first time. So for now we'll click on restore button. There's the icon at the left, and we'll minimize the welcome screen. So this is how the basic Eclipse screen looks like. So let's create a simple Java program to see if everything is working as expected. So let's click on File, New Java Project. Here we need to give the name of the project. So I'll give it as Learn Java. So it selects the default location where it's going to save the project. If you want to save it at some other location, you can just uncheck this and select whatever location you want to save this project to. So for now I'll keep it as default. It has selected a default JRE SC13. You can also select whatever version you want to, and you need to have that version installed on your machine. So for now, since we are writing a basic Java program, I'll keep it as default to Java SC13. So we'll keep everything else as default and click on finish. So say create. This should create the basic Java project for us where we can write our program. So I'll delete this module file and create a new basic class file under source folder. So we need to click on source, say new, and class file. So we'll give a name to my class file. So let me name it as learn, and I also need a public static void main method inside my class. So we'll check this as well and say finish. So this would create a class file for my project learn Java where I can write my program or my code. Let's write our first program in Java to print a basic statement. So let me write the program in main, which is the starting point of program. So let me type system dot out dot println. So you can see it gives the as you write any statement for your program, it gives the suggestion to select any method you want to or any function you want to write. So you can just select it from here, and I'll say Java for testers. So here you get various different options to compile and run Java. You can even click this icon over here and run your program in debug mode. So for now I'll just save this program and say run, and it prints the statement as Java for tester. So guys, you've seen how easy it is to install Eclipse and start writing different programs in Java. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do like and subscribe if you like the video, since this keeps us motivated. Take care of yourself and stay tuned for next one.